What? This is not a Kinder Egg.
No. Sorry, okay?
Illegally. Did you hear that? You still did it! I messed up. I messed up. Oh. I literally got it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am joined today by this beautiful girl. Last time you saw us on camera together, we were in LA. Now, we're in England. We're trying more American candy. Over on Carrie's channel, Carrie is going to try some English sweets that she chose herself. We went to Asda, she walked down the candy aisle, and she chose her own sweets this time, so yes. We're both excited.
Very excited.
Give me what you got.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
So I have this giant Target bag. Told Jasmine I didn't think I had enough, and now looking at it, I'm like, yeah. I did a thing. So for those of you that don't know, our very first video we did together, we sent each other candy in the mail. Yes. And your favorite thing out of that entire thing was Nutter Butters. I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw Colleen Ballinger say, she like posted this screenshot of Nutter Butters that were dipped in chocolate. And she was like, these are a limited time thing. You have to go run to your grocery store and get them. Wait, so I went like the next day. Yes. So I went the next day and found them just for you. So I actually brought you a whole box. Amazing. I actually really need to try one of those.
Yes, let's try them together.
They're shaped like Oreos. They're not like their typical shape. Should we just split it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now you started me on a 10 out of 10. I don't know where you can go from
here.
I
messed up. Everyone knows that America has the worst chocolate and England has the best. So I thought it would be funny to show you a version of something that you've given me. But like our version.
Like Maltesers?
Yes. So these are Whoppers and they are America's echo of the Maltesers. These I do not believe are as light and airy. I don't think you can blow them over your face.
We're gonna try it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. They feel quite weighty. We're gonna try the Malteser trick, which if you haven't seen, it's in Carrie's other video, which I will link all of our videos down below. But in Carrie's previous one, I did the Malteser trick. You might want to see it. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, it's gonna just fall on my face.
You still did it! I just yelled so loud.
The middle of it is definitely Malteser.
Yeah.
Like 100% has the same taste. The chocolate's not quite as great.
It's not good.
But it's not bad.
Okay.
I'd give them a solid 7.
I'll take it! Yeah. I really thought we were gonna go from like a 10 to a 0.
No, I'll give them a solid 7. They're quite nice. They're really sweet.
Wow, okay.
I do like my sugary foods.
Okay, cool. Originally, I brought 3 boxes of Girl Scout cookies. 2 of them did not make the journey because someone ate them.
Someone being
myself and my boyfriend. So these are Thin Mints, which Alexa here says are the best.
They are the best ones. Are you kidding me? It is no just like discussion.
I don't think we've got anything in the UK, correct me if I'm wrong, you're welcome, where you can only get it from a Girl Scout.
Yeah. Good luck.
I like it, but
oh, okay. So quick.
But there's not much to it.
Yeah.
Like, the outside is mint chocolate and it's delicious. The inside is like air. Like a 5.
Okay.
I would happily go through a whole pack of them.
Yeah.
Easily. But the stakes are high here. So.
She's no novice American candy taster. This is her 3rd round. So.
I'm an expert. I'm a pro.
You are.
Cheez-Its.
Yes, so that's what we have next is Cheez-Its. You said you've never had these before, correct?
I don't believe so.
They're salty, so that's... What does it smell like?
Like, not like cheese.
Well, no.
I was expecting like mini cheddar smell. They're interesting. Like a solid 2.
Oh no! My baby Cheez-Its.
There's good cheese and then like licking the bottom of a foot cheese. And I'm gonna say this is the bottom of the foot cheese.
I'm really like hurt by this. Yeah, I'm really hurt. I really wanted you to like this. I'm taking these home with me. I'm putting them in my suitcase. I want to appreciate them.
Tala.
That means thank you.
She called me Tara.
Tala.
Tala.
Your licorice and our licorice and your aniseed and our black licorice, it's all different. So I think our black licorice is your aniseed flavored thing.
Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. It's like a weird mix between the two. If you've tried Bertie Bassett's Licorice, like the black, and you've tried Blackjack's, this is like an actual midpoint. But I like the aniseed and not the black licorice. We'll have to give it like a 2. I'm so sorry, Americans.
I'm sorry you don't like it.
Do better. I feel like I'm being too harsh. Like
you're probably gonna eat them.
Mm.
Do you need like a water, or are you just...
I'm good.
Okay.
Like, you can get actual twigs.
Okay.
And chew on them. Those I like.
Oh.
That's what we should have got you.
A twig?
An
to chew
actual
on?
piece of wood.
No.
An actual twig. And you chew on it and it's licorice flavoured.
No thank you. You like Sour Patch Kids, correct?
Mm-hmm, but I didn't think they were very sour.
So these aren't really that sour either, but they just came out with a strawberry flavor.
Okay.
You might like them. I don't know if I've even had those.
Ooh, they smell good.
Are they sour?
No. They're not what I would call sour.
Okay.
They taste good, and I wish they were a little harder in texture. Taste is great. I just wish they were more sour than not sour. To me, if you're from the UK and you think that toxic waste and the ball things that you get in the supermarkets are sour, you are wrong.
I thought you were gonna be like, that's okay.
No, you are wrong. Go to a specialist sweet shop. They have them in like little towns, and ask for a Black Death. And then tell me what sour is.
It's not even sour, it's just acid.
I sent one to Carrie in our first video and she was just like...
I almost vomited.
That's what sour is, so...
Don't eat that.
Yeah, when I say it's not sour, I mean it's not citric acid.
Yeah. It's not acid.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, here we go. I don't know if you have these or not, but have you ever tried Pop Rocks?
I honestly don't know. Do we have something similar in England?
I don't know, but these are like a fun candy that I used to eat as a kid.
And they go blah, blah, blah.
Like
well,
ASMR.
no.
Oh my god, we can do ASMR.
Oh yeah, let me.
And you gotta close your mouth first, and then open it. Oh my god! They pop. Wow! Oh, sorry, I'm messing up the ASMR. Wow!
Definitely think we've got something similar.
Okay, how about the
these
flavor?
Are great, and I didn't know they popped.
Yes, they do.
That was great.
So, what do you think about the flavor? So that's like a blue raspberry. There's no such thing as a blue raspberry, obviously, but that's like a very like kid candy, like
that's delicious
flavor. Okay,
that is me. I'll give that a 9 out of 10.
Okay, we're moving on up. Would you like something chocolate or something sour next?
Sour. See if you can get me with the sour.
Well, it's not that. So this is called a baby bottle pop. Baby bottle pop.
You get it. Da 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 da. With new Candy Crunch.
Pop out.
It went on my nose.
So yeah, you do that first, then you dip it. Is it popping? Oh yeah, it is.
I like it.
Okay.
But it's not sour. It's still not sour. I'm sorry, okay?
You are like a harsh critic though. Like
for sour things, like I like my sour candy to be sour. I'm gonna try some Lucky Charms.
But you gotta try it like the real way. They're weird.
Well, I was expecting
they're
those to be squidgy.
They're freeze-dried marshmallows. Are they not so good though?
Ooh, Cheerios.
She ate the cereal part and goes, ooh, Cheerios.
You like the cereal, but...
Said no one ever. What do you mean? You have these delicious, dried, freeze-dried marshmallows. What more could you need? Favorite cereal.
Put some milk on.
Yeah.
Do I have a good mix?
You do.
Okay.
What? Alexa, do you hear?
I don't understand.
What's there not to love? What, because it's not
this
brown
is great. The
cereal?
brown stuff is lovely.
Wait, what? This is
the
why you
brown
don't have
stuff is
why you
lovely.
don't have stuff because you don't appreciate it. You don't deserve it.
It's like Cheerios.
Not at all.
Why not?
Oh, just without. Okay. Yeah. You know what? We're moving on.
Hey, I would be someone's best friend though, because I would eat the Cheerio bits, and they could have
so
all
true.
the candy.
That's honestly ideal. Okay, I'll accept that. I'm okay with that now. I'm ready when you are.
I really like Cheerios.
So what do you give it out of 10?
Oh, the Cheerios are great. I really didn't like the marshmallow bit.
I'm so sad because you expected them to be marshmallows.
Yeah.
Not like hard.
Yeah, it was a bit of a shocking texture.
Okay.
And I don't really like marshmallow that much.
You smuggled the version of this into my country
Kinder Eggs?
illegally. Shh. Come for her, police. Illegally. Did you hear that? So I figured I would bring our
Kinder Egg.
disappointing version.
Oh, it's Kinder Joy.
Yes, so this is our version. This is like the legal, allowed, FDA approved version. So many people had so many debates about it in the comments. That's not true. It's not illegal. We do have Kinder Eggs. I'm like, this is not a Kinder Egg. Just watch.
What just happened?
Yeah.
Well, the egg's already broken.
Don't forget your spoon.
Why have I got a spoon?
Just wait. This is your toy.
Why? I thought it was like 2 halves of an egg. Private joke. Okay.
So I think you.
What is this, America? Listen.
I'm
listen.
so ashamed.
Listen. If you're gonna do this, just don't call it a Kinder. To be fair, they didn't call it a Kinder Egg.
They called it a Kinder Joy.
I'm having no joy.
So for the Americans that commented on my video saying, we have Kinder Eggs in America, this is what we have. Oh. Why is it gotta...
I mean, it's delicious.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. It's 2 little balls, like mini Kinder balls, in Kinder sauce. But no egg.
So they have to keep it sealed on another side because someone choked. The best part of that video, you were like, you have guns! Grow up! Overall, your opinion.
I love Kinder. So immediately, like, it's a 9.
Okay.
But that is not... Oh, chocolate on me. But that is not a Kinder Egg, so...
Yeah, it's really not.
Debate over. Not a Kinder... There was no egg. There was balls.
We are going to end with a nice gum palate cleanser. So this is like actually
random packaging.
This is called Big League Chew. So it's like what the baseball players use. It's a grape flavor. So this is like grape flavored gum. This is like my childhood in a bag right here.
I'm scared.
And it's supposed to be like chewing tobacco. That's like what it's supposed to be
tobacco.
like.
Oh no!
Hopefully not, because it's disgusting.
How strong do you need your grape flavor to be? It hurts my nose.
It's like grape. That's like what our kids' medicine used to taste like. Grape.
Okay, no, it's settling down now.
Okay.
Okay.
The powder is. Maybe don't smell it.
Okay,
so you just take a big
not
hunk.
what I was expecting. This is interesting.
Yeah, it's
like
it's supposed to be like tobacco, like a taken dip.
Yeah.
It's got a really weird underlying.
Did you eat it?
Yeah. No.
Oh, okay.
No.
I was like, maybe don't.
It's got a really weird underlying alcohol taste.
Oh.
Like
it might be like artificial sweetener.
It really does
Don't
taste
read
like
the
it's got some alcohol in it.
It's probably the aspartame.
The grape is great.
The grape is great.
But underlying
Jasmine 2019.
The grape is great. The flavor's
Oh, I thought you were like, the grape is grape. Like
no. And the chewing gum, the bubble gum, great. But it's just got this really underlying alcoholness to it that I can't explain. That makes me go, I'm not sober, but I want more.
It's gonna grow on you, I tell you what.
Like I probably wouldn't choose to eat it.
Okay.
But I didn't dislike it. I just probably wouldn't choose to eat it. So I'm gonna give it like a 3.
I'm used to the disappointment at this point.
I'm so sorry, America. But you know, do better. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much to Carrie for being on my channel. She's a sweetheart. If you haven't already seen her channel, I will link it in the description. I will also link all of our previous videos, and I will link the video of Carrie now that we're gonna film now, where she's trying English sweets and candy and chocolate. And yeah, we're gonna now eat more sweets over on Carrie's channel.
Can't
See
wait.
you soon.
Bye.